I just got a new order for the patient John Doe, prescribed by Dr. Who for an order of prednisone 5 milligrams PO daily times 3 days for today and timestamp for now. His diagnosis is an allergic reaction. I'm going to just double check the MAR, make sure that it's correct. I have prednisone 5 milligrams, expiration is 11/20/38. I'm just going to go talk to my patient, make sure that he's okay with this course of treatment, and then I will be back to grab that medication. Hi, John. How are you doing today? Good? All right. So I see that you have an allergic reaction. Okay. So the Dr. Who has prescribed you prednisone for your allergic reaction. This is a steroid that will help relieve the itchiness, the redness, and that allergic reaction you have. All that irritation will go away from this medication. So I'm going to give you the first dose now, see how it goes, and then he's going to send you home with 3 more days of this medication. I just want to let you know some of the side effects include headache, nausea, vomiting, or high blood pressure. Do you have an issue with high blood pressure? No? Okay. So you should be okay. You are young, so this shouldn't be an issue for you. I'm just going to help reposition you. Could you just verify your name and date of birth for me? Okay. And you have an allergy? What is it to? Penicillin? Okay, so that shouldn't interfere with this medication. I will call pharmacy and just double check to make sure, but just before we give it to you, but I'm almost positive that will be okay. All right. Do you have any difficulty swallowing? No? Okay. I'm going to come back to you with that medication. Do you have any questions before I leave? Can you go grab that? No? Okay, I'll be back in just a couple minutes. Here's your call and your water. I'm going to call pharmacy just to make sure that that's okay, all right? Calling pharmacy. Hi, patient John Doe. MRN is 149206. I just wanted to confirm that the doctor ordered prednisone 5 milligrams PO. He does have an allergy to penicillin. Is that okay? Okay, all right, just double check. All right, thank you. All right, so there's no issue with that. I'm going to go into the MAR. I'm going to grab that medication for him, go back in and give it to him. All right. Hi, John. How are you doing? Good? Okay. So I did call pharmacy. There should be no interaction. 2 completely different medications, penicillins and antibiotic. This is a steroid, but just to cover our grounds, I did call. They said that it shouldn't be an issue. One more time, can you verify your name and date of birth? Okay. I'm going to log in. I'm going to scan his wristband. I'm going to scan the medication. All right. Open the medication. All right, here you go, John. And here's some water. I'm going to document that I gave that medication to you. All right, so I'm going to come back and check on you in about 30 minutes just to see how it is. How's it going? If you do okay with us today, he will send you home later on to let you go home with this prednisone, okay? Because you don't really need to stay here as long as the prednisone is working properly for you, okay? All right, here's your call-it and your water. Do you have any questions in the meantime? Okay, don't hesitate to call if you do. All right, thank you. Dr. Who just prescribed the patient Cher Bono with Percocet, 325 milligrams PO for today. And for now, I'm just going to check the MAR and make sure that the medication is correct. All right, yep, 5 milligrams, 325. Expiration is 03/20/38. 2039. I'm going to go make sure that it's okay with the patient that I give it, assess her pain level, and then I'll come back and grab that medication. Hi, Miss Shear. How are you doing? I heard that you're in some pain. Okay, can you tell me where your pain is? Alright, right here. Is it stabbing? Is it achy? It's stabbing. Okay. Do you know what would have caused that? Did you fall? Okay. Alright, if you could rate that number 0 out of 10, what would it be? A 10. Whoa! You're in a lot of pain, huh? Okay. Well, I'm going to go get that medication for you. He did prescribe you Percocet. Have you ever had that before? Okay, so it is a pain medication. It is an opioid, which can be very addictive. It's going to help with your pain, hopefully get rid of that. Some of those side effects are weakness, tiredness. You can wake up sometimes confused, nausea, and constipation. Do you have any issues with constipation? Yes? Okay. So I'm going to bring in something called Miralax. That's just going to help prevent any backup from this medication. Is that okay with you? Okay. So could you verify your name and date of birth for me? Good. And any allergies? No? Okay. And what would you say a tolerable pain level is for you between 0 and 10? A 4? Okay, so that's going to be our goal today, at least get you down to that 4, okay? Before I go grab that medication, will you please just take a sip of water for me and see how you do? Okay. Did that go down okay? You don't have any difficulty swallowing? Okay. I'm going to go grab that medication and I'll be right back, okay? I'm going to go into the Pyxis. This is a controlled substance, so I have to count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. I'm going to document that there's 5. I'm going to take my 1. Just going to reconfirm that it is Percocet, 325 milligrams PO for now, prescribed by Dr. Who for patient Cher Bono. I'm going to go back in and give this medication to her. Hi, Cher. All right. Can you verify your name and date of birth one more time? Okay. Good. And any allergies? No? Okay, I'm going to scan your wristband, scan the medication, open it. All right, here you go, hon. And then I also have that Miralax for you. I'm going to put it in your water so that you can drink it. Just try and drink it all or most of it, okay? All right. Here's that for you. I'm going to document that I gave you the Percocet and the Miralax. All right. So, due to this medication, it can make people forgetful, not knowing where they are. I do need you to call before you get up, okay, hon? Just so we know how you do with this medication, okay? I'm going to come back and check on you in 30 minutes. Hopefully we get that pain level down, and we'll go from there, okay? Do you have any questions? No? I document that I gave that medication. Sanitize my hands. All right, hon, here's your call light and your water. I'm going to put the bed alarm on you just as a precautionary measure. Please don't hesitate to call, and I'll be back in 30, okay? All right, thank you.